In this video, we're going to take a look at using layer comps in Photoshop. The Layer Comps panel will allow you to store multiple compositions inside a single Photoshop document. That way you can essentially have multiple designs all in one file. The word comp can mean many different things in design. It's usually the last bit you hand off for approval before you create your final site or final app or whatever it is. If you look up comp on Wikipedia, it'll redirect you to comprehensive layout, meaning the entire layout. Comp is also used as short for composite, meaning all the designs. In Photoshop's case, they're talking about compositions, so multiple variations of your design. We're going to start off by looking at the wireframe PSD. You can find it in your exercise files, in the Chapter 4 folder, in 0403. We're just going to look at two different options of what to do with this top part of the sidebar on the right. So basically what we want to do is toggle on or off, kind of save the state of the video sidebar and toggle that off. I'm going to hide the layer visibility of the video sidebar folder in the layers panel. And I'm going to toggle on the visibility of the alt sidebar, which is going to be kind of a go button, a call to action. So let me revert that and let's go up to Window and choose Layer Comps. And let's save a brand new state of our design by clicking the New Layer Comp button. And let's give it a name of Video Thumbnails. And notice that we're just going to, for right now, apply the visibility of layers, but this could actually be much more complex. We could be storing the position and the appearance of the layers. You can also add comments to kind of remind yourself or to let somebody else know what the purpose of this layer comp is. So let's just click OK to create the new layer comp. And now let's hide that video sidebar in the layers panel. And let's toggle on the visibility of the alt sidebar folder. And go back to the layers comp panel and click create a new layer comp. And let's call this one Go button. And click OK. In the layer comps panel, you can now switch between these two states. We're currently viewing the Go button state. To view the video thumbnails state, click the icon to the left of the video thumbnails title. You can see we can easily switch back and forth between the two states. And when we switch, it actually changes the visibility of our layers. So again, this is a pretty simple example. We could do something much more complex. We could have many more layer comps if we needed them. And once we have them stored, we can go about altering our design and continuing and moving forward. This is a good way to show an alternate design, maybe to get client approval. We can also use layer comps to show different designs for different devices. And that you want to make sure you show the borders of the individual screens because you only have a single set of dimensions for your entire Photoshop document. Now you can also use layer comps to show different states in your application when different things happen. And we're going to take a look at doing that in the challenge and solution videos that are coming up next.